Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in NX software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Here select model, unit is millimeter. Here you can change the part name and location. I will save my desktop. Okay. You can see the base dimension is 110/75, thickness is 25 mm. Select extrude, select the plane, select rectangle, give the dimension 110, enter, 75, enter. Finish sketch, extrude up to 25 mm. Just press the middle roller button, it will take exit button from the commands. Next select extrude again, select this surface, select here 2-point rectangle, give the dimension 20 mm. Finish sketch, extrude up to height is 80 mm. Next there is a chamfer. For that here select chamfer, symmetric, dimension we required 18 mm. Select the edges. Okay. Next there is a rib. For that go to rib command, select the plane here, create line, give the dimension, this is 75 mm, this is 50 mm. Okay. Finish sketch. Rib thickness we want 15 mm, here symmetric. Okay. Next here there is a one cutout, select extrude, select this surface, select line, create sketch like this, give the dimensions 35 mm, height is 14 and 60 degree. First give the degree here 60 degree. Here also give 60 degree. This height is 14 mm and this length is 35 mm. Next select this point and this point. (75/2). So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Here select, subtract, reverse the direction. Here we can select through all or until next. For ISO view, we can press end button in the keyboard. Go to menu, select here insert, or go to tools first, material, assign material. Here assign the material as per your requirements. There are all standard materials. I will assign steel. Select the entire body. Okay. Now go to menu again, edit, go to object display, select entire body. Okay. Here select color. So we can change the color as per your requirements. So like this color will change. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session. Friends, if you required any drawing supports or software support, you can leave the comment below with your details. So thanks for watching this session, friends. We'll see you in the next session.